How much money can you really make online if you commit to one thing and actually treat it like a real business? Well, at the start of 2023, me and my partner Jesse was about to find out, which is why in today's video, I'm going to break down 8 different income streams from our first full year making money online. If you're new here, my name's Kieran, and if you're anything like me, you've probably Googled every way to make money on the internet. The last 12 months have been a wild journey and completely changed my life. So that's why I want to share how much money I made last year, the lessons I've learned, and my plans to double that in 2024. But first, I just want to preface this whole video with none of this is meant to be a flex, just to show you what's possible and to hopefully inspire you guys to do the same. Now, just before we get into the earnings breakdown, you might be wondering how it was possible to make the kind of money I'm about to share with you. And the quick answer to that is, in the last 12 months, we've managed to grow and monetize an audience from 0 to 300,000 followers on Instagram. I'll show you how we trend hacked, raking in hundreds of millions of views, but more on that later. All right, let's kick things off with our first income category, affiliate marketing. This is a super simple category. It's basically where you recommend other people's products or services for a commission. Imagine telling your photographer friend about a camera on Amazon. If they buy the camera through your unique link, then Amazon is going to pay them a percentage of the sale because you referred them to Amazon. It's a win-win basically. You don't need to stock any products and Amazon only pays when the sale is made, which is perfect for both parties. This doesn't have to be physical products. It can be digital, something like software. We've been sharing a couple of software tools within our community that are essential for building funnels. And if you know anything about making money online, you know how crucial funnels are in guiding customers towards making a purchase. We've been using ClickFunnels and Systeme.io in our business, and luckily for us, both of which offer incredibly generous affiliate programs. From ClickFunnels alone, we made a total of $1,628, and from Systeme.io, we brought in $3,078.63. All these numbers that I'm mentioning that will be coming up on the screen will be in Australian dollars, and most of the screenshots that you probably see pop up are in USD, and that's because the softwares and all the programs that we promote are almost always in USD. I don't care about US dollars, I only care about Australian dollars, so that's why there'll be a little bit of a discrepancy from what you see on the screenshot to what you see on the count up here. That kicks off our total to $4,706.63 Australian. Next, moving on to our third income stream. From January to around August last year, we promoted a high ticket affiliate program called Legendary Marketer. These guys are an online education company with a program that dives deep into freelance digital marketing, digital products, affiliate marketing, coaching, consulting, and events and masterminds. Their content is world-class, top-notch, and they offer a generous affiliate program for their courses, which is great for us. So by referring customers to Legendary, we earned up to $1,000 per referral, which is insane. This program was a game changer for us. From their affiliate program alone, we generated 113,923 Australian dollars. Adding that to our total, we're now sitting at $118,629.63. Whoa, I'm going to stop you right there. Affiliate marketing is one of the best ways to make money online. It's exactly how we made most of our money in the last year as complete beginners. The big issue is finding the right training for an affordable price. That's where Legendary Marketer comes in with their world-class training program. They're one of the most respected education companies in the world and have made more 5-figure earners than I can keep count. If you want to start a profitable online business but don't know where to begin, then their 15-day Business Builder Challenge is the best place to start. If you use the link down in the description below, then you'll also get over $3,500 in bonuses for just $7. Let's shift gears gears and talk about our second category, digital products. If you haven't purchased some kind of digital product on the internet over the past few years, then you're probably living under a rock because they are everywhere. Digital products have huge margins, almost 100%. You can sell them multiple times and they are infinitely scalable. Up until around August last year, we were heavily focused on affiliate marketing for our core offer. But then we felt confident enough to start exploring our own digital products. And surprisingly to us, we stumbled across a full digital marketing course that came with the master resale rights. This was an incredible opportunity. So instead of being an affiliate for an education company and earning commissions, we could essentially buy a done-for-you course, tweak it, add our own flair, and then sell it for 100% profit. We became the education company. The course is called The Roadmap, and we launched it, I think, around mid-August on our social media. To our surprise, it went absolutely bonkers. From mid-August until the end of December, The Roadmap made us a staggering $206,813.93. Just think about that for a second. We had no experience prior to last year. We knew nothing about anything online, and we're making that much off one product. That's our fourth income stream, bringing our total to $325,443.56. Still in the realm of digital products, and our fifth income stream is a collection of PDFs we built to help people make money on Instagram. So one of the top sellers is a 43-page document which basically shows you how to make money on Instagram, but without showing your face. So this was in response to a poll we put up on our stories. And one of the most common questions people asked was, how do we do what you're doing, but without showing your face? It's incredible because now you can literally ask ChatGPT to create you an ebook, spruce it up on Canva, and voila, in a few hours, you have a sellable product that you can earn a significant amount of money from. From this product alone, we earned $3,641.37. On top of our faceless PDF sales, we decided to put our own advice to the test. We created a few faceless accounts to prove the concept. Now, I don't have the screenshots of the earnings, but this is our sixth income stream, and it earned us around $3,049.18. That brings our total so far to $332,134.11. This is one of the faceless accounts that Jesse created mid-November and grew it to over 3,000 followers, making a decent amount of money in just 1.5 months. This really gave credibility to the faceless digital product and showed people that the concept actually works. Next, let's talk about another category, coaching and mentorship. This one is a bit of a love-hate relationship for us. It's an area where we could potentially scale to over $100,000 this year, but it's also time consuming because it's one of those things, if you're gonna do it, then you have to do it properly. And remember this, one of the main reasons we dove into the online space was to make more money while having more time. That being said, it's an area we're still exploring. Last year, out of the $206,000 we got from the Roadmap sales, I would say about $20,000 came from coaching or mentorship upsells. This isn't adding more onto our total, but it's just a ballpark figure of what it contributed to. We get hundreds, if not thousands, of people asking for mentorship, so we know we could scale it. But again, it's about balancing income with our time, and at this point, I think we value our time a little bit more. On to our final category. This is sponsorships. While being the smallest, I think this has the most potential. This year, we made around $2,960 from various paid email campaigns and sponsored posts. We receive a ton of messages asking to promote products, and similar to coaching, I think it's an area we could probably 5 to 10x this year. We turned down 95% of all of these offers because we only want to talk about things that we actually use, not to mention the hundreds hundreds of crypto coin sponsorships we get every month that we're never gonna do. I can definitely see this category growing, but only with products and services that align with our values. That brings our 2023 total and the first actual real year of trying to make money online to $335,094, which is absolutely mind-blowing to me. And to top it off, this year we've already made $30,000. It is currently only halfway through January, which is incredible. Earlier I mentioned that we would talk a bit more about our audience on Instagram and how we grew to almost 300,000 followers last year. And yes, to make that $335,000, having an audience to monetize to is crucial. Well, don't let that discourage you, because on January the 1st, 2023, we had 0 followers. You're probably wondering how we grew so fast. The answer: following trends. In fact, we even created a powerful trend that has now gained hundreds of millions of views. It started when we were doing affiliate marketing and we made a video that went something like this. Company X will pay you X dollars per month to work from home. And we just did this repeatedly for about 20 different companies. I'll show you what I mean. Did you know that Adidas will pay you up to $5,000 per month to work from home? And the best part is you don't even have to show your face. Let me show you how. So that was a video for Adidas where you could become an affiliate for their company, recommend their products, and then earn commissions. This video went viral, gaining millions of views, and then we just replicated it for a ton of other companies with similar affiliate programs. Here's another replica of the exact same strategy, but with Lego. Lego will pay you up to $6,000 per month to work from home. And the best part is it's free, anyone can do it, and you don't have to show your face. Let me show you. And because it was so popular, everyone else in the space copied it word for word, creating a massive trend, which is how we were able to grow so fast, because we were the ones at the forefront of the trend because we created it. In fact, some of the copy videos actually got millions more views than our original ones. It goes to show following the trend is extremely crucial. Before we wrap up, I just want to share a valuable lesson that will stick with me forever, and it goes a little like this. Before Roger Bannister ran the 4-minute mile, everyone said it was physically impossible. No one could ever run the mile that fast, but on May the 6th, 1954, Bannister did something amazing. He proved the world wrong by running a mile in 3 minutes and 59 seconds. Soon after his accomplishment, many others achieved the 4-minute mile in that very same year. The point here is, if someone else can do it and has done it, then it's entirely possible for other people to do it. This is relatable to making money online, and if someone else has found a way to do it, then we can find a way to do it. You just need to change your mindset. The lessons that we learned last year, you simply can't unlearn. Looking forward, I don't see a world where Jesse and I can't make money online. Why? Because now we know what it takes and we've done it. That's why I'm taking these skills into 2024 with even bigger goals. You might have noticed if you've visited our Instagram lately that Jesse is the primary poster on there now. That's because we've divided our focus to maximize our impact. She's taken the lead on Instagram while I concentrate on growing this YouTube channel. As always, if you want to start a profitable online business but you don't know where to begin, then there's some awesome resources in the description below where you can try and replicate our success. Thanks for watching. I trust that you've enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and I'm standing here from the sidelines wishing you the most success in 2024.